This is Payton with the Dock Doctor. We're at one of my customers' houses here, Lewis Smith Lake in Crane Hill, Alabama. We're about to walk down. We have a dock down here that we've done a complete remodel on. Before the customers purchased this house, they wanted to see what kind of dock they're working with, what kind of money they got to put into it, and we're gonna go check it out. Pro tip with the Dock Doctor. Before you purchase your lake house, you're gonna get a home inspection. Well, a lot of people don't think about the $25,000 to $200,000 dock they've got down there. They need to get it inspected too. So if you pay $100, we'll come out, inspect it, and give you a health report of your dock and how much it's going to cost to get it up to par. Pro tip with the Dock Doctor. Here we have a dock that we redecked. It's very important if you choose to go with wood decking that you have us come out and stain and seal your wood decking. It's a very important part of keeping the decking lasting a long time.
All right, so this is a house that I showed to at least 2 of my buyers before Payton's client bought it. And this dock was in rough shape, like rotten wood, rusty. I mean, it just didn't look good at all.
Got a lot going on.
So I think it was definitely a deterrent for the buyers that I was working with, as they were thinking to themselves, I'm gonna need a brand new dock. I'm gonna need to spend several thousands of dollars to redo this dock. So per your Dock Doctor tip, the clients were smart. They brought you out to do a dock inspection.
Right.
And then you were able to give them a quote, which obviously was favorable to them as opposed to buying a whole brand new dock.
Much more favorable.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is why we selected this house, because this is a prime example of how you can bring a dock back to life and save the customer like tens of thousands on a brand new dock. So
very much.
How much life do you think that you have breathed back into this existing dock? Like how long will this last?
Out of this dock as a whole, they can probably get another 30 years at least out of it. The wood decking, they keep it up, keep it maintained, they might be able to get a decade more out of it before we have to treat it again. Pro tip here with the Dock Doctor. We've got 4 big things that I really recommend on boat docks. One is this storage locker here is taking up floor space. We have lockers that hang over the side of your dock. It looks like they're hovering. They come in several different colors, stainless steel latches. They're awesome, okay? That's number 1. Number 2, walkway cables. They're a low cost upgrade. They cut out walkway wobble as you're walking down it, and they protect this inherent weak point where the dock and the walkway connect. That's 2. Number 3, I have a very nice boat here. You want to protect it. Post bumpers, rubber trim, they both protect your investment. And right behind Jason here, we have a heavy duty pulley, low cost upgrade that can save you thousands of dollars. It's greasable, it's serviceable, it has a long lifespan. It really helps with cable, how the weight gets put on the dock. It's a really good upgrade instead of all your tension being on your winch and therefore in the middle of your post where it's the weakest. So those are some upgrades. Pro tip with the Dock Doctor here. We're here to talk about ladders right now. There's so many options for ladders. One is there are ladders now that are at a steeper angle, so you more so walk up them than climb up them. One thing this customer can upgrade in the future is their ladder. They have a fixed ladder right here. There are fold-up ladders that you can take out during the winter when you're not using your ladder. Keeps it clean year-round. The customer here did choose to do 2 ladders, one over there and one over here. The reason they chose to do 2 ladders is because often they jump out on that side of the dock. So they know they're gonna be in the water a lot right there. Well, also, they have their swim deck right here. They know they're gonna be swimming a lot right here, so they have a ladder right here so they don't have to go all the way around to get up on their dock. Dock Doctor here. We're out on beautiful Lewis Smith Lake behind me. Right here, we made an opening for the customer because they wanna be able to jump off their dock. In the future, we can add side tables, we can add phone chargers up here. We can customize it to how you need it.
I mean, there's people that do outdoor kitchens on these upper levels. I mean, could you put a roof on this thing?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So I would say this, right? This is actually where you're going to be spending a lot more of your time as opposed to inside the house. I mean, this is an outdoor lifestyle. This is an extension of your outdoor living space down here. But, you know, you can make this, I don't see a whole lot of lights. So you could light this baby up. You could put the green fishing lights and have some other accent lights to light it up all the way from, you know, the walkway down all the way up here to the upper deck. So there's so much y'all have transformed this dock, but there's so much more that could be done in terms of adding storage, lighting, all kinds of stuff.
A lot of stuff customers don't know. That's why they ask me, because this is all we focus on is boat docks. So there's a lot of options out there. Just give us a call.
All right, so we're wrapping up this installment of Pro Tips with the Dock Doctor. We're going to have way more coming down the line. You've got some special things, special announcements, things you're really working on that are going to add value to customers here on Smith Lake, which is going to be big. So stay tuned for those announcements. But yeah, so way more pro tips coming, and just be sure to, you know, schedule a Dock Doctor inspection at the same time you schedule your home inspection. And then, Payton, how do you want them to get in touch with you?
So the easiest way to get in touch with me is call our office at 205-522-2994. And then also you can go to our Facebook page, The Dock Doctor, black background, white cursive writing is the logo. You can see tons of examples of our work, and you can message us on there.
All right, we'll see y'all soon.
Thanks.